La saki bakum shibenta kejing rakhe kejing dap san posnem kejing yo la kejong kejela ke bapura. Kaladan kejing pen internet ki Shnong baper ha kenong ba Shillong. Myntri Rangbah kejela Conrad kongkal sangma ha ka khat praterik urampang arhajar arpuar. Ulalit banjurep iki hendriu tuli ki Shnong ki badan ha ka sor Shillong. Kam tam ban kemi ya kejing pen internet iki ni ki Shnong da kejing dro ya ki dor baper. Conrad kongkal sangma ha kejing dan lang Myntri penroisor uba senyau bhalang dhar bat ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ikong Isawanda lalu kila sedang ya kejing jurep na ke Shnong Maukar ha ka baule kendo ikinong ilam Shnong jong kidor bar Shnong baper habar jong ka Community Hall ha Maukar. Habakran na kejing yalang Myntri Rangbah ula ikublay kidor bar Shnong bat ikinong syang Shnong kiblay rap leme ke sorkar ha ka por jong kejing yakun ya ka klam COVID-19. Hadian kani ulalit iuhkjat ru ak Shnong jayau apalan sunalian ha kabala pediang sobhayu de kinong ilam Shnong rengkat baru MLA ke North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum. Ulalit ru ke Shnong mission compound jayau lat dom jayau lang sning bat ke Shnong demiu. Bat hak ni ke Shnong la pediang sobhayu da kinong ilam Shnong baru MLA ke West Shillong uba Mohendro Rapsang. Ha kejing let jurep ikni Shnong u Conrad kongkal sangma ule shim benta ha kejing thung ye gidiang bat kisentiu bat kum kadak jong kejing shim benta ha kejing pen internet ik Shnong githau ula airong ya kenro ya kabale shim benta lang da uba senyau balang dhar bat uba Mohendro Rapsang.
So our purpose of visiting the localities was to review the beautification project that we had started in Shillong, Jowai and in Tura, and I'm very happy to see that there has been a very positive response from all the localities, and this project has gone beyond just simple beautification. It is really a project of integration, I should say, where the localities, the Dorbars, the youth, the women's group and the government have worked together for the first time to do a positive thing for our city. And therefore I take this opportunity to thank each and every Dorbar and all the Rangbah Shnongs and the leaders who have really participated and made this program a success. And we want to assure everybody that we will continue to have this program in the future also and find ways and means on how the localities, the community and the government can work together for the betterment of society and our towns, our cities and the state as a whole. Thank you very much.
We have seen many artists they have shown their talent in these drawings.
Yeah.
Is there any plan that you are going to give any prizes to these artists?
Yes, as you can see, the different artists have come out and shown their talent during this beautification program. So the competition is also there among the localities. So we will have the best locality prize. But apart from that, we've also realized that there are many artists who have done really well. So we have decided that we will also have a best artist competition also, and we will choose among the different, the paintings and drawings that have been done to decide on who will be the best artist. So yes, this has also been a great experience and a great way of allowing the talent of our youth also to be shown to the city and to the people in general.